In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable browser notifications for WhatsApp Web. If you're one of the many who use WhatsApp Web for staying connected with friends, family, or even coworkers, notifications can greatly enhance your user experience. They ensure that you never miss an important message while you're busy with other tasks. Let's dive right in and learn how to enable them. First, directing your attention to the address bar on your browser, you will notice a small icon right next to it. This icon, which can look like a padlock or a simple circle with an info symbol, is critical for accessing site-specific settings. By clicking this icon, you're able to view and modify how the website interacts with your browser, including the all-important notifications. Once you click on this icon, a small menu will appear displaying various permissions related to the website you're currently viewing, which in this case is WhatsApp Web. Among these options, look for the one labeled Notifications. At this point, if it's not already set to allow, you'll want to go ahead and change this setting. Simply select Allow to enable notifications. This will ensure you receive timely alerts directly from your browser as messages come in, keeping you informed without the need to constantly check your open tab. Now, after adjusting the notification settings, it might be necessary to refresh your WhatsApp web page for these changes to take full effect. Refreshing is a simple task. You can either click the refresh icon in the browser or press the F5 key on your keyboard. By doing this, you're essentially rebooting the page with the new settings in place, ensuring the notifications function correctly from that point forward. In some cases, after allowing notifications and refreshing the page, you may see a pop-up message asking to confirm if you indeed want to receive notifications from WhatsApp Web. Don't hesitate to say yes to these prompts. It's crucial to confirm this step to have the desired outcome. Now you're all set. With notifications enabled, you'll notice how much smoother your workflow becomes, knowing that any crucial messages will grab your attention promptly. This feature is a fantastic way to multitask effectively without the anxiety of missing out on important updates or communications. As a final note, remember that notification settings can differ slightly depending on the browser you're using, but the general process remains similar across most. Taking a few moments to tweak these settings can make a tremendous difference in your online communication efficiency. I hope this guide helps you navigate through enabling browser notifications on WhatsApp Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thank you for watching, and